This is Practice Squadron. I'm Matthew, and today we're going to review the UGREEN Ethernet adapter. This is for PC, but it will work for a Nintendo Switch, and that's why I bought it. So if you're like me and your Nintendo Switch is mostly using Wi-Fi, right? Because the dock itself does not come with an Ethernet port, and maybe you can't find the official Nintendo Ethernet adapter thing because, I mean, believe me, when I was buying this, I was looking for that and it is sold out everywhere. Got this on Amazon. It arrived literally the next day, and I'm definitely intrigued of what I'm going to be able to find. I've looked up reviews on this and it looks like it's the thing. So with me and my setup, I'll give you an example. My router is in the other side of the house, right? So if you've seen the review about the switch that I put in my office, that's how I get mostly the internet for all my things. So like my desktop, my laptop when I'm using it, my PS4, my Xbox, and pretty much everything that you can connect an Ethernet port. I have the switch underneath my desk, and I just plug and play on that sense, and that's how I get the great internet that I have. But if you're using Wi-Fi, then basically, you know, it's only going to be as good as your router can support, and also like how much you're paying for, and just due to the Wi-Fi-ness, it's not hard lines, so typically you're getting less speed. So that's where this bad boy comes in, and this is different from the rest because this is USB 3.0, so the blue one, opposed to the regular 2.0, which is the black. So thank you for buying. It's a manual. I'm guessing you're gonna need this if you're using on your PC. I'm not doing that. My PC already has that, and I'm using this for the Nintendo Switch. So this really should be plug and play. The reviews that I've watched on it is plug and play. But we're going to find out. I'm going to cut to my actual Nintendo Switch, and we're going to find out the Ethernet, the speed that I'm getting before I plug this in. I'm going to show you where I'm plugging this in, and then we're going to get the speed after. And then I'll give you the full review in the end. So let's get to it. So to put this bad boy on it, basically you have the switch dock, turn it around to here, open the cover, and then it did have the protector thing. Hopefully you guys know to take that off. This is the only USB 3 port on the dock itself. These ones are here, USB 2.0. So if you want USB 3, which is going to give you theoretically the faster connection, you're going to want this. All you're going to do, plug it in, and then look at that. It reaches all the way. A lot of the other ones I've seen online, they're too short. The cable doesn't reach all the way down. But this is perfect. It reaches out. You're going to be able to plug your Ethernet port in and everything like that. So that's how you plug it in, if you were wondering, and then you still have enough room for the power and the HDMI cable like that. Look at all that room. Theoretically, you could also move it that way. I'm just gonna leave it like that. So it's a thing you can do if you want to do it. So you saw the results right there, and honestly, I can't lie. I am extremely impressed. The download speed is almost like 4 times quicker, and the upload speed it's only 3 megabits per second quicker, but I mean still it's an improvement. I'm not really concerned with upload speed. What I care about is download speed. I care about the connection when I'm playing online games and things like that. So if you're a Smash Bros fan and it's lagging and things like that, you definitely will need this. I know me and my friends, when we play either Minecraft or Marvel Ultimate Alliance, sometimes it's kind of laggy due to our Wi-Fi-ness. But now that I have this, man, it is going to be way better. I am extremely, extremely glad I got this. Guys, use the link in the description to purchase this. You will not regret it. This thing is amazing. It's amazing. I really cannot even tell you how much I love this now. P.S. What games are you going to play now that you have this and you're going to add it to your Switch?